Alrighty. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the second episode of My Hero Academia. I am really excited. I have a genuine question for you guys. When you say the title of this anime out loud, do you also automatically think of macadamia nuts? Because I do. I've never tasted it in my life. I've just heard about it. But then every time I say My Hero Academia, it goes into macadamia, and then I start thinking about nuts. This is the life of a weirdo. And this weirdo is really excited to get started on the second episode. The ending of the last episode was really nice. I felt like the genuine intention of being like, you know what, I want to be a hero, irrespective of whether I have powers or not, is what really touched All Might's heart. And so I'm guessing that he's going to be able to train him in this episode or the coming episodes. We are going to get a training arc, and I'm really excited for that. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm really hyped. Let's do this. Let's go. Watashi wa stop. I'm going to stop immediately. I'm sorry. I am exhausted of mentors dying. If immediately after being like, I think so, thinking, you know what, I think I can train this kid, he falls from this and he dies, I'm going to be so pissed off. I know he won't, but also at the same time, god damn it. I genuinely thought at the most, if he doesn't train Midoriya, he's just going to be like, yeah, kid, whatever, like, be a dick about it all, kind of a thing. He's like, I don't really want to help you. Why should I help you, kind of a thing. Never meet your heroes, kind of a scenario. But I did not want an immediate death or something like that. Please, that's the end of my rant. I'm intentionally ending my rant here because I know I'll keep going otherwise. Wait, so is the issue, whatever issue he's dealing with, being a Victorian protagonist, is it because of his quirk? Like, is it like, I have a power, no power comes without magic, it needs to be some kind of an equal trade? Is it something along those lines? Because if so, it would be really cool. Really sad, but also at the same time, really cool. I like that idea. Oh, he's going to decompress into tiny, skeleton man kind of a thingy, like he looked at the start of the first episode.
個性がないせいで、そのせいだけじゃないかもしれないけど、ずっとバカにされてきて。
Midoriya, that man is honestly letting go of steam right now. This is not the time for your existential life crisis. Like, I get it, but also at the same time, just be a bit more aware of your surroundings. Maybe that is lesson one of being a hero, because goddamn, that man is literally letting off steam right now as he's crouching.
人を助けるって、めちゃくちゃかっこいいと思うんです。恐れ知らずの笑顔で助けてくれる。
Imagine him immediately looking up and seeing that All Might has like a big ass frown on his face as he's decompressing and spitting out blood and like there's sweat and everything. That would be hilarious. Don't look that disgusted by it though. Oh my god, he looked so similar to Belle after Beast transforms into the prince and she just goes, you? Like, you? Like, you? That's how he looked. Oh my god, that was hilarious. His face was so hilarious. Oh my god. Just look disgusted, like never meet your heroes, but it's not in a bad way because the hero is like a jerk in real life, but more so because your hero is like a skeleton man. I feel like if Midoriya is smart right now, he can just be like, I won't reveal your secret to anyone if you treat me. Ayo, let's go. Use your head, Midoriya. I know all those books and all those notes you have taken. Somewhere in there, it's like, how I use my head. I'm gonna get smart about how I deal with this stuff. I thought he was dead. I legit thought he was dead. He was just unconscious. Okay. Imagine finding half of your body here and half of your body somewhere else, though.
さすがに今日のはやりすぎ。
俺の道にいたのが悪い。
I was honestly like, if your bully friends are like, hey, maybe that went a bit too far, maybe it went a bit too far, but then also at the same time, he just kicked the villain dude who is now going to try to possess or take over Katsuki or one of his bullies' bodies. But if you're smart about it, use your combustion power or the fire power or whatever, and blast that guy into smithereens. I don't know why I'm cheering you on. I don't really like you at this point in time, but also at the same time, I don't want you to get possessed. You're a kid.
やってみないとわかんないし。
ガキのまま夢見心地のバカよ。
It's not even like he is intentionally pissing you off. You're just annoyed that he has that tenacity. For a hot second, I honestly thought Katsuki was like, I'm just trying to protect him from other people, just trying to protect him from his own daydreams and how he will feel if they get rushed. But a good friend cheers you on and doesn't pull you down. You're not being a good friend. You're a mean baby. You're a baby nonetheless, but I don't like you right now. Oh, okay. It might just be his quirk. I was like, why are his fingers like that?
バレたら俺の内心に響くだろうが。
If you bully your friend in front of the whole classroom in the presence of a teacher, they won't write you a recommendation letter even then. I don't think bullying someone in front of everyone, especially a teacher, ranks lower than going and playing in an arcade. Because what? God.
恐れ知らずの笑顔ね。
Is a mask.
5年前、敵の襲撃で負った傷だ。呼吸器官半壊。胃袋全摘。度重なる手術と後遺症で、憔悴してしまってね。私のヒーローとしての活動限界は今や、1日約3時間ほどなのさ。
5年前って、ドクドクチェーンソーと戦った時。
詳しいな。これは世間に公表されていない。公表しないでくれと私が頼んだ。
It makes sense though, right? Like, why would you reveal your weakness? Someone might just use it for their own betterment. Like, yes, there are a lot of heroes, but there might not be a lot of heroes at the same level as All Might, and they might just attack different locations in gaps throughout the day, and All Might can potentially only save people during those 3 hours period. Multiple people will be stuck trying to fight a really big villain without any success. So it's clever that he's not revealing that also at the same time it sucks. And I like that intentionally or unintentionally what Midoriya is learning right now is there are consequences to power, right? Like I earlier thought that just because you have a power, you're going to have some kind of a weakness holding you back. This is because of an injury. So it kind of is really cool for Midoriya to learn right away that there are going to be consequences to being a hero. And so it might be better to be a hero without a quirk because you can learn everything about being a hero. And the values of being a hero are something that settle better in your heart and in your body. You have better values as opposed to being a hero with a quirk where your whole identity is attached to being someone who has a superpower and then having to deal with the loss of said superpower. I think it's very cool that they are introducing this topic this early because Midoriya gets to understand that being a hero and saving people does not have to only do with having a quirk, and it might help boost his self-confidence a bit while they are at it. Like, yeah, I mean, you might get a quirk in the future, but right now, you don't really have to have superpowers to save people or help people. Cool concept, I like that.
私がさ、力がなくとも成り立つとは、とてもじゃないが、口にできないね。
Ayo, what? I genuinely thought that there would be a training regime or a training arc, or I genuinely thought that he would be like, yeah, you know what, you can still be one. But it makes sense from All Might's perspective because he has to deal with the consequences of having a huge part of his identity being taken away, which is, I am someone who has a quirk, who can support these people, and who can do this by doing this, X, Y, and Z. But he's not able to do that right now, and so maybe Midoriya will help All Might just as much as All Might is going to help Midoriya. It might take a few episodes, but I do think we can get there. Maybe Midoriya will also help All Might realize that he has a potential of being a teacher, so you can still teach people how to use their powers, right? I think that would be dope. I always like the idea of retired hero training the next generation to be better and smarter than they were. That would be dope. That would be really, really dope. I like that.
人を助けることに憧れるなら、警察官って手もある。ヴィラン受け取り係なんて揶揄されちゃいるが、あれも立派な仕事だ。夢見るのは悪いことじゃない。だが、相応の現実も見なくてはな。少年。
Fair of him, I think that is what Katsuki is also feeling like. Yeah, it's one thing to dream, it's other thing to be in like that Lulu land of like, I'm going to get a quirk no matter what. Like, yes, if Midoriya does end up getting a quirk, that's awesome. But being intentional about it in a way where you're like, I accept my reality and I'm still going to do something out of it. I am still going to ensure that I can help people. I can help change the world as I am right now. I like that reality check really early in the show. That's really awesome. I really like how the story is being dealt with from a reader's and a viewer's perspective. Plus, I think it was really important for Midoriya to hear that from someone like All Might as opposed to his friends or his family or his mom. Like, yeah, he doesn't want to listen to that. He doesn't want to hear that as an answer. But it's really important for him to hear that from a person who he admires perspective. It's really, really crucial because that's when the message sinks in, right? And that is true for a lot of people. Like sometimes people in really high positions can bring you down with the intention of pulling you down just for the sake of it. And then there are times when people who you admire tell you the reality, tell you that this is how it actually is, man. Like, I know you dream of the stardom and the fame and all of that jazz, but this is the reality of it all. I didn't think I would enjoy this show as much as I am right now. Like, it's not hype yet. I know they're world building, they're setting up the stage and the scenario and introducing characters and stuff like that. But also at the same time, I really like how they're dealing with it right from the get go. The conversation of being someone who's powerless and wanting to have the power to better the world. I like that a lot.
ヴィラン、どのヒーローが現場に
I love how his muscle memory of wanting to find a hero where there is a potential villain just kicks in immediately. That shows a lot. But honestly, I think after his conversation with All Might, it might just change it into wanting to be there, not to find heroes, but seeing if he can help. I mean, not being someone who stands in the way of heroes, but like trying to help people as well. Like his intention is always focused on finding heroes and finding out how they work. But something like this would be really cool. Okay, that was crazy. I genuinely thought that Katsuki might be blasting the gutter guy, I'm calling him, until I figure out his name or he lets us know about his name. But instead, he just got possessed. Very scary. I wonder if this takes him down a peg. It probably wouldn't. Imagine though if Midoriya is the one who actually ends up helping them out right now and helps Katsuki get out of the slime monster or gutter guy. It would be really cool if he could. I know it's I'm as Delulu as Midoriya. Honestly, genuinely. I am with the main character. I am as Delulu as they are. I think it could be possible. Not really, but also at the same time, it would be really cool if it was possible. Let's go.
私、2車線以上じゃなきゃ無理
See, that's what I think. Like, there are limitations to every superpower, and so right now we are seeing everyone face difficulties. And I genuinely think my Delulu ass is genuinely thinking that Midoriya might be the one who saves Katsuki and at the same time snag an invitation to UA High. Let's see if my theory is right. Let's go.
分かってたから必死こいてたんじゃないか見ないように見ないようにって僕のせい僕のせいだ彼は動けない
情けない。
I do have to say, nice parallels in the way that they are showing us everyone's psyche right now. That's really, really cool. But nice parallels between All Might and Midoriya at this moment. It's really cool. I'm genuinely vibing with this episode. I genuinely didn't think I would, but
まさか今の風圧で
上昇気流が発生して雲作ったのか
that was crazy. Both in terms of animation, the power, him using different names of US states for some reason. I really, really liked it. Let's go. The amount of power it would take for your wind power to create an updraft that creates rain is kind of crazy. Oh, I love it. I am so hyped for the show. Let's go.
右手一本で電気が変わっちまった
この後散ったベトベトはヒーローらに回収され無事警察に引き取られたみたい
Who hopefully incinerated that shit because, like, oh my god, even one of those can create that slime monster again, is what I am guessing. I hope they incinerated it. Why are Midoriya and Katsuki not at the front of it all? Or maybe they're getting treated after being unconscious after the whole attack. Could be possible, but I liked it. Let's go.
君なら優秀なサイドキックになれる
And that's kind of messed up that Midoriya is getting yelled at by heroes. Like, yes, that was a very reckless move, but he did buy Katsuki enough time to resist until All Might came. Like, all these people were just standing there, like, they were helping, yes, but also at the same time, they were just standing there. Like, he at least ran and gave them those few extra minutes, gave Katsuki a few extra seconds and minutes to kind of hold on. Why is he getting scolded and Katsuki getting praised? And like, Katsuki, I mean, no, that's amazing. Katsuki getting praised because he does have a lot of willpower to sustain that for so long and not get like possessed by the slime gutter boy, gutter guy. But also at the same time, I love that look of Katsuki where he just like glare like, oh, if Midoriya had power, he would be so much better than me, kind of a look. And he hated that and he's envious of that. I love that. I genuinely do love that look. That was like, oh, go off, king. Go off. Feel that envy. Oh, that's right, bitch. I'm better than you. Let's go. No, fight me, bro. I'm sorry. I'm gonna stop now.
俺は、てめえに助けを求めてなんかねえぞ。助けられてもねえ。なあ、一人でやれたんだ。無個性の出来損ないが見下すんじゃねえぞ。恩売ろうってか。
How fragile is your ego, boy? But also at the same time, I love it. I love the conflict of emotions and feelings. Let's go. Why are you saying all of that unless you actually internally, somewhere deep down, actually feel like that? Midoriya is probably going to be like, yeah, bro, obviously it was all you. I didn't do anything. Knowing him, he would genuinely be like that. If it was me, I would be boasting my butt off. I would just be dancing everywhere like, I saved your ass, let's go. Midoriya is better than me.
見下すなよ、俺を。そんな後が。
タフネス。これでちゃんと身の丈に合った将来を。
私が来た
That wasn't even a jump scare, but I absolutely loved it. Training arc.
なぜなら私はオールマイト
少年、レート訂正。そして提案をしに来たんだ。
そんな、そもそも僕が悪いんです。仕事の邪魔して、無個性のくせに生意気なこと言って。
トップヒーローは学生時から逸話を残している。彼らの多くが話をこう結ぶ。
That is power that makes you a superhero. But no, they are lying. It's your values. It's what makes you run it face first into danger when you see it arriving from a distance. That's what makes you a superhero. And you, my boy, have the traits of being a superhero. So I'm gonna train you right now. Do you get me? Do you get me? Let's go. Let's make this happen.
考えるより先に体が動いていたと。君も
あの時僕が言って欲しかったのは、言って欲しかった言葉は、夢は現実に言い忘れてたけど、これは僕が最高のヒーローになるまでの物語だ。
You know what? I really liked this episode. It was so beautiful in terms of helping Midoriya understand the reality of being a quirkless. For us to realize that he's not dismissing that reality, he is aware of it, he's just pushing it aside because he wants to still believe in himself and in the power of his own growth. I love that it was his research that helped him in that brief moment to help Katsuki kind of get a bit more breathing space essentially. I loved Katsuki's reaction of like, you didn't save me, don't underestimate me. And then just turning around and he's like, I don't want to fight you though. Like, I'm not gonna say anything else. I'm not here to thank you. But also at the same time, I'm not going to sit here and listen to you chatter. So like, I'm just gonna go away. I love Midoriya's immediate like, he's acting tough. Good for him. Like I said, I genuinely thought that All Might and Midoriya would end up helping each other, and that's what happened. And I really like that. Overall, a really good episode. I'm excited to see the next one. Let's go. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.